Live on KKFM, man. Vu Gandota, we here, man. This is KK Yogampasele. I'm here on KKFM. Let's discuss with KK, man. You know the story. And it's Wednesday evening, and we're here, man. And as you know, we bring you the best of the best on our studio. You know the story. And do you know who are we having on studio, man? You guys are not ready. And we're here, man. With it's a bit. Yeah, it's a bit cold, man, here. And, but we're just having two Mega Mayoli live on KKFM. Let's discuss with KK. Let's welcome, man, him Ezandleni. Thank you so much for coming, bro. Thank you so much, and we really appreciate it. How's it, bro?
I'm good. Big man. I'm good. Mr. K.
Yeah.
Mr. K himself. I'm good, sir. Are you good?
No, I'm good. And we are honored to have two Mega Mayoli. Yeah. So just a smaller intro with two Mega Mayoli. You know, man, as you're watching, people who know him, man, you know, if you have this guy on the event and both in praise and worship, bro. He ministers. He's a man that really ministers, and that's why we decided to call him on KKFM so that we can find out who really is, and because it's just maybe saw him on TV, we just saw him on social media and all that. If I may ask, bro, let's start here. Who's Dumega Mayoli? Obviously, the main question. It's a famous question. Who's Dumega Mayoli? Uvela Gupi, and what was the journey?
KK, in fact, let me say first, thank you for the opportunity. Thank you so much. I've been watching this big brand. This brand that is coming. Got that called KKFM, and luckily I had a call. I think it was on a Monday and a Sunday last week. To come here on a Wednesday, and then I said, I'm not going to miss this one. You know. So in fact, it's a guy from Eastern Cape. Lapha eMpuma Koloni.
Yes.
Abanye bavuza beva beside Koloni. No man. Even now we used to say Koloni. Koloni. But I'm a guy from a family of four children to my dad.
Okay.
Yes, the three guys and one lady. Yes, I'm from that rural area that called Kwagela, Epworth and Jones.
Okay.
Pagune Pingora.
Yeah. Yini Pingora? What's
Pingora? Lapho wena ngeke ngizokutshela nje. Pingora there, but when I will take you there, then you see the Pingora. So I'm a guy who grew up elandela umkhulu ekhonza kakhulu lapha, and one day I said no, ndifuna ukufana nomkhulu, and today nyana I step in kuma footstep kamkhulu. So I'm a guy ozikhonzelayo, othanda uNkulunkulu, ohlabelayo konke nje.
Yeah. So umkhulu beka artist naye sithi uhamba enyatheza.
All right, no, Umkul was I can say that Umkul was elder or a pastor to AFM.
AFM, yes.
I was not a pastor, Umkul. I was not an artist, by the way.
Yeah. So you grew up there, Eastern Cape, and when our matric project, did you complete?
Metric?
Yeah. If I mean lento ukuthi niyacula kodwa nikomplete ngedlala.
Not me, big man, not me. I'm times 2 graduate, by the way.
Which qualification do you have? If you don't mind.
No, I don't mind it.
Yeah.
No, big man. I did. I'm an IT specialist, by the way. Yes, I'm an IT specialist, and so I done it at 2019.
Yes,
19
yes.
years. Also, ngaqonda ukuthi no ayiphelelanga mangi-edenyana. Then
Yes.
I graduated in 2023.
Yes.
Again,
Okay.
then it's when I said, no, I think it's better now.
Yeah.
I can't, so I can sing and I be a graduate.
Yeah.
Then one thing it comes,
Yeah.
then it's God in between. The
Yes,
graduation,
exactly.
but then it's
Yeah.
a singing. Then in between there is God. Then everything is good.
What can you say, man, about music school? Like there's young artists watching there, or there's other artists watching there. Would you say it is important for someone like for musicians to go to school?
You're very important. Very, very, very important.
Yeah.
Because if you can check, the problem is iqala uzocula kakhulu isikolo singekho. Because ngoku into ezokwenzeka, I will come as umuntu ofundile when uyacula une-talent yokucula but you don't know things.
You don't know things.
Then I will come with the school ngizokushaya ngezinye izinto
Yeah.
ezokuthi bona if you can sign here and
Yeah.
then you don't even know how to read
Yeah.
that thing. Yokuthi okay manje this if I'm reading this, let's say I'm gonna give you a contract of 2 years. The contract at the end says you're not supposed to sing anyway. You'll sing where I'm telling you go to sing.
Yeah.
Then when you sign, and then other days so you think, oh, I'm going to sing somewhere, and then I will tell you that no, you are not supposed to. Why? Look.
The contract says
exactly. The problem is that you didn't read. In fact, you are not doesn't have a knowledge. The way of reading. You don't know how to read. By the way, let me put on that way.
Oh,
yes.
So you're basically saying that musicians, they shouldn't just sing only, but also just get knowledge in terms of the theory part of music, or the legal part, maybe I can say, of music. So because you're right. We see a lot of instances whereby someone signed a contract that he or she doesn't really understands or agree with. So according to my old man, you need to go to school, man. Musicians, you need to go to school, man, and get some qualification and sing and whatnot. So you're in music, bro. And when did you leave Eastern Cape to Gauteng, since you're now in Gauteng?
I think 20 it's 20 yabukudala ngikhona la igona ngisakhumbula ukuthi I think 2014 15.
Oh, 2014 15
around there. Yeah. I'm not sure because it was a struggle. I don't want to dwell on that. It was a struggle. I can't even remember because I was touching there and there, and then to make life easier for me.
So it was a struggle for you to come this side, or you were struggling basically?
It was a struggle. Like it was been like you, the first one. I was by the way, let me say I was on that level of saying when someone making example with poorest female, I'm on that. Was on that.
So you're that kind of you're from that kind of family or background.
When they do the like example of poorest one, then yes, lapa glodumi lapa.
So when you grew up, man, did you dream to be an artist, or what other dreams that you had when you were still a young man or young boy?
I didn't dream to be an artist. I do not lie. I was looking after just someone that to play keyboard because I saw it's keyboard like Makai. It was something.
Oh, serious?
If you're playing a keyboard, you everyone.
Who's everyone?
Like this guy. All right. No, not per se. The gender that you thought of.
No.
Like even ubangumuntu serious or level right. Emakaya. Let me put them that way. Then even that guy is the one who plays keyboard. You understand? Even and the other gender comes closer. Even this gender. So everyone will take you serious. Everyone by the
What are you saying, bro? What are you saying? My gender?
Not this way, bro. So but you became in other words, you became
Yeah.
Umuntu othathelwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, serious.
Serious.
Yeah,
So you never thought of being a pilot, a police, a doctor, like any other so whether your dream was to be a keyboardist?
No.
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't get that.
Yeah.
No. Can you imagine? No, bro. I think that I wanted to do. It was doctor.
Oh, you wanted to be a doctor?
Yeah, I wanted that, and but along the way, things didn't go the way I wanted to, and I end up, because I was when times goes on, I said no, I'm scared of the blood and all the stuff.
Yeah.
But today I'm there.
Okay, all right.
By the way, I'm not a doctor.
Okay.
Now I'm not a doctor, yes, but I'm working in a health environment.
So I was about to ask that, man. That I saw you wearing the doctor's thing, and I thought you're a doctor, and now you're telling me you wanted to be a doctor. What's happening, bruh? Yeah.
But I don't want to dwell on that.
Yeah.
For now.
Okay. All right.
I'm
Reason being?
dwell on that. No. I'm still cooking something.
Oh.
I'm the guy that cooks and come up with the dish and something that.
Yeah.
But there's something that's good that I'm cooking.
That you're cooking.
Yeah.
But it's in line with you being a doctor.
Don't take me there. Don't take me there yet. But
Okay.
I can say that to you. There's something that I'm coming with.
Oh, okay.
That
Okay.
aligns
Yes.
what I'm doing.
What you're doing.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. But I will answer you next time when I'm coming back. Then I will give you and showing you this. Look,
Yeah.
I'm there.
Yeah.
Whatever that I'm doing.
When did you start singing? And when did you start? Okay, when did you start singing? Let's start there. When did you start singing? And being a worshipper, being a minister.
Like, okay, I started there ekhaya.
Okay.
Yeah, lapha ekhaya kunama choir lapha.
Yeah.
Lapha kushaya action lapha. And then remember emakhaya kunala dust yayibona.
Yeah.
Then you go there wearing your solo point of toughest.
Yeah.
Then you say action.
You say action, yeah. So you basically started Guma choirs.
So I attended the choir that called Selanga.
Oh.
Yes, I attended that choir.
Okay.
Along the way, I said, no, let me create my own.
Yeah.
I remember it was Masakane group.
You created your own group of
So-
singing.
I remember Machida was 5 with the 7 ladies.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So and therefore that's where you started singing, and therefore you became you had your own choir. And
Yes.
what was happening? You had competitions. What was happening there?
Yeah, sometimes you'll call.
Yeah.
They will call you the side. Mostly it was a funeral, by the way.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes. Yeah, it was.
Benlinda nje akufe umuntu.
Wona manje. Lapha bangasibiza. By the way.
Yeah.
Siyahleka kusasedlula.
Yeah.
Then and go there.
Yeah.
You wearing your black trouser with the school shirt.
Yeah.
You sing there. You sing. You thought that you got it,
Yeah.
but you don't got it yet.
Eish.
You're trying, and I end up saying, no, look, no, man,
Yeah.
this thing yenzeka.
Yeah.
Let me try it.
What kind of music were you singing? Benkuni ngoma ezinjani? Awushaywa?
Mamela kunengoma ethi lapha. Aphelila mathemba se jolita.
Yeah.
I-keyboard ithi.
Bukuna keyboard.
Zokudlala but. Lapha
Kulapho wafuna khona ukudlala keyboard. Yeah.
Lapho but.
Yeah.
Then if we kula concert le
Yeah.
but we distance yokusuka apha, let's say yokusuka ePitoli
Yeah.
uye eMamelodi
Yeah. Oh.
by walking.
Aish. Aye.
You're going to the concert.
Yo.
The way we wanted that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
But ngaqhubha nga end up sengiza this side.
Yes.
Ngize this side ngisasebenza nabo ne.
Yeah.
Then I end up now. I pull out.
Yeah.
And then I said, let me try on my own.
Yeah.
I did try on my own.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And you are mostly or mainly Itende. You're singing like Itende music, like people they know you by Itende. So you start when in a group you're singing Itende, or where did you start singing Itende?
Yeah. Ekaya was not Itende per se.
Yes.
It was traditional nyan.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
Okay.
Traditional music.
Yes.
Then I think I changed to attend when I was this side.
Oh, this side.
For
you Itende.
Yeah, then ngabona ngacheck lapho benhlala khona so shangathi they sing those songs. They are scaling there.
Yeah.
And I'm the only man that don't know scaling.
Yeah.
I'm just come with the traditional thing.
Azango go shy high stinyana. Yeah.
I put it next.
Yeah, which side? Which side?
I stayed in social at XX.
Oh, my XX. Oh, yes. And therefore, when was it when you said, you know what? Now I'm taking music serious to another level, to the level that you are. Okay, the level that you are. When was it when you took the first step? That now you know what I want to build a Dumi Mayoli brand. I want to be an artist, so that I can be called to the events and minister. How did it start?
Oh, that leader. I think it's 20. When was the COVID? It was
2020.
2020.
Yes.
Then back then, I think on 2018, 17, around there.
Yes.
That's when I started. I had people calling me, come and we have something.
Yeah.
You know that thing?
Yeah.
I will give you a stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, I went. Some churches.
Yeah, all churches.
Come and we have a slot for you. You're gonna run there.
Yeah.
And make sure good thing get.
Hey, bicycle.
Hey, store imanyan. Yeah,
we had that. You used to ride a bicycle.
I think you saw me once, right?
Yeah.
Yes, I was driving a bicycle.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bicycle. I got it from one of my church mate.
Oh, okay. They give you a bicycle.
Yeah, because I the life was not good at all.
Yeah.
Then I was traveling with my foot and going somewhere wherever. Then this mother saw me one other day.
Yeah.
I just said to me, hey, Mtanam, I saw you like this.
Yeah.
I have my old bicycle from a young man there.
Yeah.
He's no longer using it.
Yeah.
Come and take it. And when I went there, I asked other pastor called Baba Mapumulo.
Yes.
With his buggy.
Okay.
And we went that house and collected my bike.
Oh.
And then I started to ride my bike there.
Yeah. So you're going with it to those churches whereby they were calling you to minister.
Yes, I park and I make sure I park next to the door where I can see it.
It's such a goof.
Yeah, because the guys can steal my bike.
It's so hard.
Then I sing with the suit.
Yeah.
I remember I was having a white trouser that I got to my late grandfather.
Oh.
Then I took it to a tailor. The tailor make it to be my size.
Yes.
And then I was singing on that white trouser.
Yeah.
Many of guys in Soshanguve, they don't know me with the white trouser. Doesn't know that is my grandfather's trouser.
Hey, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. So they were just giving you a stage, or they were paying you. I said police. So they were compensating you, or what was happening? No. Oh, there was
it was
no
just on a 0%.
Yeah.
Nothing.
Like everyone, man, has somewhere where they start and whatnot, and wara. So now we're having Dumi Mayoli brand and Star Baba. Shoot. You know, you're doing those waves and whatnot, but up to so far, what can you say it was your biggest gig? Which was your biggest gig?
The first time I was flying. About the first time, that was my biggest gig.
Yeah.
In East London.
Oh.
Coming out from Pretoria.
Hey.
Doing this for the first time. Out of the province.
Yeah.
When just I booked my flight and I saw, a flight ticket for the first time.
Yeah.
Look at this. This man from the rural area there. Singing on the funerals.
Yes.
Now he's climbing the flight. Look.
Yeah.
It was, and even I remember I got. Let me mention the amount.
Yes.
It was good.
How much was it?
It was 6,000.
Yo,
6K.
yo.
From 0%, zero amount.
So they booked you the flights,
everything, and then down window yokulala. Can you imagine? Ngilala hotel for the first
Mayoli.
time. Yo.
Yeah.
Yes, I went to Iceland. That was my biggest event. First biggest event that I did.
Yeah.
Then on the flight, I was sitting on the next to the window.
Sitting
down there.
Yeah.
I thought I didn't even close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
From Joburg until Iceland, and I was here.
Yo. No.
I didn't say anything. Everything that I saw down there was too small. Everything that I can't even see you walking down there. I see you like a Mickey Mouse.
I wish to be on a flight, man. I wish to be on a flight. I've never been on one. I've never been on one, but hopefully we will. So, who was the host of the event?
It was Pastor Willem and Mamo Kanyisa Sombuga. Yeah.
Oh, so how did they get to contact you? They got you from TikTok. What happened?
Babukanyi.
Or you knew them?
No.
Mm-hmm.
The pastor saw me at church.
Oh, okay. All right.
Pastor William saw me at church.
Yeah.
And sing at Soshanguve.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then he said, no, we change the conduct. And then what? I'm fine. There's something that I would do for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, when you're growing up as a musician, did you have any inspiration? Who was a gospel artist or a gospel singer? Did you have one, or did you have two or three?
One.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Admire call.
Yeah. Yes.
No.
I'm
old.
Serious?
I'm old, sir. You can see me like as
I'm imitate. I'm imitate.
Oh, no. I'm calling kakuhle.
Yeah.
Yabona ngisho le sithanda siyanikela.
Yeah.
Yenza kakhulu kusande school. Hayi. Yeke. Kodwa kwenza ke siyathanda sasenikela.
Yeah.
Siyadumisa njalo.
Phakama wena. Yeah. Also, those are the two artists that would say they've inspired you to be an artist or the person that you are today.
Yes, sir. I said on that time of singing at rural area and coming this side.
Yes.
Yeah, I think West that was face.
Yeah.
Kakul because ngibona into zenza ngom lo dad if ngenyimini ngacula nami ngifika la ndayicula lo dad lo.
Yeah.
It's doing good.
Yeah.
It's doing good, and now sometimes mbone sema flight ngoba wangakhwela nami le nto.
Yeah.
Kanti hayi uNkulunkulu uyayazi.
Yeah. And now you're pushing in the industry, and obviously there are people that you grew up with, performing with Soshanguve. Who were you singing with, man?
Sure, a lot of guys. When ngifike Soshanguve, there's a lot of guys that have been singing. By the way, they're still singing even now.
Yeah. Like
Abo Sipho Hlongwane.
Yeah.
Abo Nzuzo.
Yeah.
Abo Fundo.
Yes.
Abo Busi. Abo David Maumela.
Yeah.
Abo a lot, guys.
Yeah.
A lot of guys, and they are still there even today.
Yeah.
Abo. What's the name of that guy? Just forgot Marvin.
Yeah. There's a lot of artists that you've shared stage with, and which one that would say, this was the moment, or was the event, or this is the artist that I enjoyed, or it was my dream to share a stage with, and that you've shared a stage with so far?
When I was sharing a stage with I think the guys that it's called Xolisa.
Oh,
yeah. It's the day when I got the big event.
Yeah.
I met them there.
Oh, on that event.
I met them there.
Yes.
I met them there.
It was recent, eh?
Yeah. I met them there.
Yeah.
I met them there. No, it was but back.
Oh, okay. All right.
From that time, it's 4 to 5 years.
Oh, okay. All right.
So,
yeah.
It was good.
Yeah.
It was good to look after the guys, and then boom.
Yeah.
I'm singing after the guy
on
the stage.
Yeah.
Then I said no. Then the other one is to I done with Mamu Ngabagazi Msomi. I done with Ayanda Ndanzi.
Oh yeah.
Yes. I done with Mam Kolega.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's dope. And how was the experience sharing a stage with these big artists? And how would you say how was the experience, man?
Yeah, I don't lie to you. When KK put Uguti, it was a struggle sitting down there, watching him, and then they are telling you, the organizer come to you, you are next, you are next, and then I can say, hey, leave me alone. I know that I'm next. Leave me alone. I'm thinking my thanks. Mayoli, you are next.
And
then like I'm shaking. Look, what I'm going to do?
You're still an upcoming.
Look, this guy come to the stage. Everyone.
And
then I'm thinking, no one knows me here. I think only guy who knows me, you know who? Only my keyboard player.
And the organizer.
Then I said, and then the organizer, know. And then I said, no, look, I know we'll make it, bruh. I will do this. The MC when he calls me, and then I went to stage. Let me tell you the truth. They just say, they don't
know you.
I think 5 people or 10 people. They done that.
Sure.
But when I get the stage, no. That theater stood up. All of them.
Is it still East London?
No. It was what's the name of that theater? It's in Joburg.
The Vets one.
Yes.
Oh,
yes. Everyone stood up there. No one knows me there, but everyone stood up. After all, then the guys were there, those big guys, and also the ladies on the backstage. They asked my number.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm just trying to tell you the God that I'm with. It's amazing God, bro. And I was not expecting anybody to say to me, "You done." They said to me, "In fact, you done, God. Can we have your number? If we have something, we're gonna call you." And they done. Some of them they done that.
So you're performing with them. There's this syndrome, which it's not a secret though. There's this syndrome of the those guys who've made their name already in the industry, whereby but did how were these big guys at the backstage since you were meeting them? What kind of people were they?
The experience that I will never forget. The one of East London.
You.
I was a big guy and I'm on the stage.
Oh,
at the big. Taking pictures. I'm there already. Taking pictures. I'm there already. They were so sweet.
They
were so sweet. I do not lie
and
to
you.
And I remember, I'm not on the stage yet, but I'm staying with them there. I need to introduce myself to everybody.
What?
Well, no one knows me.
Ish.
I'm Dumayoli. And that's what I'm Dumayoli. Yes, Dumayoli. Look, this is my picture. Don't you see me on the post? I was asking. Then time goes on. God, and then open up the stage for me. I was the third artist. I still remember I was after Unduna. I sang after Betusile.
Oh, after Betusile.
Yes, and Betusile, remember, Betusile is a big guy.
He's a big guy.
And then, the audience comes from there and next to the stage like this.
Yes.
And then can you imagine and then he's finished.
And
then the audience went back. How gonna pull that audience coming back again? No one knows you. But God did it. In East London, make sure that. And Funuguti, it was more than that, but it was. I was so happy.
You're so happy
to see that performance. Good. Look, those people there, they came back, and it was not my last time to East London. I went to East London.
Oh, Then now you started traveling.
So,
what I can say, man, actually, you guys, the big artists, listen here, ne? When I meet you, my picture will be there. I'm KK.
So
I'm KK.
So
I'm K. I'm KK. So
my man. I think when that thing worked for me.
Oh yes.
I was getting my phone on my hand, bruh. I still remember I was using what do you call my phone? I just forgot the name of my phone.
But it was an Android.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still remember the name of that phone, man.
Yeah.
I remember.
Hisense Mobicel.
Not Mobi, no. Okay, I just forgot the name of that.
Yo.
Maybe my boy always called it the name of it. Dada, you are using this.
Yeah.
By the way.
Yeah.
I always ngithathe i-poster leng bangifakile and I remember on the poster bangifake last time so bangibeke la izansi you know like ngathi just cut and paste bangibeke yabona umuntu obengayikho ekuposteni bamphusha bamfaka so I was that guy. Then I will always I remember I started to keep moving that way. Yabona Sislon, the lady. Yes, I showed her. Hey, look, it's me. Oh, then we take selfies. Then I end up.
And people they call you as a proud puller man, and someone who when he gets on stage, he makes things happen. You know. So how do you deal with that? Because in some instances, like there's a show. Maybe it started, let's say for instance it started 5.
Yes, sir.
And therefore obviously maybe we put Dumi Mayoli ekugcineni and sometimes abanye bahambile, sometimes abanye bakhathele. How do you deal with that, bro?
You know, let me tell you the truth.
Yeah.
I never get that.
You never got to be at the end.
I'm been on the end.
Yeah.
But I never get that situation to people left.
Oh.
They wait for me.
They wait for you. Yeah.
They wait for me. I never get such.
Yeah.
Because most of the people, they will say, hey, no, you sang already. Did no? I didn't. Oh, I'm not leaving. I'm waiting for you to sing.
Yes.
You know, that thing, I ngenza ukuthi ngiphakame, I understand and understand into uNkulunkulu angnikeze yona mfethu ukuthi sometimes ubona ukuthi abantu kanti bazohamba but I make sure ukuthi okay, whatever that I'm doing, I understand and understand uNkulunkulu into angnikeze yona. You understand? So andethuswa ukuthi ngisegcineni. Nakungangibeka ekugcineni noba ngibeka ekuqaleni kuyafana.
Yes.
But be careful once beka ekuqaleni ngalimala.
Lalele, event organizers, you might get hurt today, man. And you push at it, because I'm listening to you. You mentioned the God, the Lord. You're mentioning God a lot.
Sure.
It shows that God is he's the center of your life, or he's the center of your ministry. Everything that you do, it's for God. What can you say about being an artist, being a minister, and who's in gospel and having a relationship with God?
You know, I believe that whatever that I'm doing, let me put on this, so not that we are doing.
Yeah.
Just took for myself.
Yes.
I believe whatever that we are doing is that yonke, the voice that you had now.
Yeah.
If voice engiphiwe uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
If unganivula ngaphakathi, you never saw it. You understand? So the voice that I'm using over, let's say I'm singing, whatever, I'm speaking, whatever, but I understand one thing in Dogan Kolonko.
Yes.
Then comes to a singing now, paving a way. I'm a gospel artist,
Yeah.
The name that gospel. Understand that. Yona engenza ukuthi yelento ayoyamle. You understand?
Yes.
So I can't ngenze one of the first things that I do, for example, if I'm going to the event, driving to the event, when I get there, I can't go out from my car not saying thank you. I'm here. Ngifikile ke manje. Angikwenza nga accident endleleni ngifikile ke ngo. Make uNkulunkulu ndiyacela ke manje. Njengoba ngizongena phanga phakathi. Kungavela ubudumi lapha. Noba abantu bangangipavela but you, this guy is here.
Yes.
No, ndingathi you uyabona, you see me.
Yeah,
you see me.
Yeah,
no,
yeah,
I make sure ukuthi genza show ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungaphezulu konke ngikwenzayo. You understand? Because uNkulunkulu yiso isisekelo sento esiyenzayo yonke mfethu. You understand? So the gospel and the singing, asikhona ukwehlukana lezi zinto zoyi2, into eyi1 le. Then in between of those things, the singing in a gospel, then uNkulunkulu in between, zezi kaNkulunkulu zoyi2. So hence ngibeka uNkulunkulu kuyo yonke into endiyenzayo. I can't start anything ndingambeka uNkulunkulu ndisho. For example, if I'm getting a call, let's say my PA called me, look, Dumi, we have an event on this date and this date. Then I'm gonna say, God, thank you.
Yeah.
Because if ngizophuma kancane ecaleni, if ngiphume ecaleni, I remember that day, it was dry. Everything ingenzeki. Someone will call me and said, no, look, do we have an event on this date? And then on 5 days to come, it will cancel.
Son. Yo.
Hi, boo. I was happy.
Yeah.
And then
you were happy that they cancelled?
No, I'm happy that I am getting an event.
Oh.
In 10 days to 5 to come, they will say, no, we are no longer taking you, bruh. We change the plans. And then the event gone.
Yo.
Several times.
Yo.
I remember I went to the mountain.
Yo.
And then I said, Kulungul, can you help me here? I do not understand. I am on the season of planting.
Yes.
On the season of uguti ngiyavuna manje. The harvest or is the planting.
Yo.
And then, man, let me tell you the truth. Kulungul yaphendula mfethu.
Yo, God answers. God answers.
And then when I'm from the mountain, I was so happy going down. Going down.
Yeah.
Abantu bengihamba nabo ngabaqala mfethu I'm happy mina ingathi everything is fine.
Yes.
When I got home, I bath and sleep. I think around 9-10 at night. If I got a call and then after call, while I'm on a call, there is a call that is engenayo. Answer this, I'm finished. When I'm done, I'm finishing this one.
Yeah. Yo.
That month, I still remember, it was 2023.
Yes.
2023, October.
Yeah.
And uNkulunkulu wenza into ezimangaliswayo mfethu, like event after event. Yeah, understand. So, ngoba uNkulunkulu ndimbuze uNkulunkulu kahle kwenzeka ini. Then I find out the answer. You would know. It's the harvest, boy. You've been working hard. Then it's time to harvest now. Yeah. You've been planting, then you have the harvest time.
What can you say to gospel artists at the moment about the importance of them having a relationship with God?
What I want to say, part E1. Let me bajonge ba.
Yeah.
Until now.
Banguzwe kahle. Andingo artist mina.
Oh, you know artist that. Bona mfethu into efuna ithetha kuba fethu ukuthi ayikho into ebaluleke. If uthetha ngesixhosa
bakuza kahle yabo. Yeah.
Because I can just speak ways that there's an understand.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I'm a graduate, by the way. In fact, I'm not because you want dine.
Yeah, dine.
When you open up my wardrobe, you'll see because being.
Yeah.
So let's start to munch. Business start to munch.
Oh,
okay, fine. Asikola. All right. So in things I'm githetha na K. Ukuthi but na but KK. Ukuthi into akhonto ibaleke nje mfethu kuba ne relationship noNkulunkulu. West when you call yourself as a worshipper. You call yourself as a servant of God. If you don't have a relationship noNkulunkulu, ayikho lento uyenzayo ngoba uyenzela ilize. Ngamanye amagama you are robbing God. You are doing into kaNkulunkulu kodwa yena engekho kuyo.
Yeah.
Ngibeka kanjani? Cela ukuyibamba lapha.
Guys, it's very important for you to have a relationship with God while you're in a gospel industry, because we are aware, man. There's a lot of things happening in a gospel industry, a gospel space, and we're having artists maybe that would say maybe they might have a relationship with God, which is something that you won't know. But let's just drop it there.
Okay.
We've seen you, man, receiving awards, bro. We've seen you receiving awards, man, left and right. Do me my oli. How many awards do you have, man? Of you being an artist, and what were they for?
I have two.
Yes.
It was a best newcomer,
okay,
and the artist of the year.
So the first one, the best newcomer, you won it with who?
With Konukamba in Cape Town.
Oh, Konukamba, yes. Okay.
Yeah, Gospel Awards.
Okay.
And also the second one.
Oh, it was still
Cape Town.
Oh.
Cape Town recognized.
Yeah.
Recognized me. Can you imagine on the newcomer we were 6.
Yo.
I beat all of them.
Kono maziyo bachuzayo.
Abamchuza andifuna babasho sibayeke.
Sekuthi khona baziyo mhlamba bakwenzele ukuthi ke.
Mshikishiki.
When are you hosting in Cape Town, man? Since you said you're having a following in Cape Town, when are you hosting in Cape Town?
Yeah, I'm still thinking that because this thing, it needs a lot of
yeah.
I'm still thinking of doing that. I know Cape Town, because I also have my big brother there.
Who?
Ex.
Queenan,
I have a big brother there.
Yes,
that's my little boy there.
Your little boy.
That's my okay, by the way, that's my big brother. But the truth is that I admire the guy. I admire the guy. It's cool. It's a good guy.
So are you a recording artist? Do you have do you have an album? Do you have an EP? Do you have a single?
I have a single. Single, yes, that I released. Guess cut COVID-19. From then, I said no. Let me
listen to God.
Relax. Because
something is still in the oven. Yeah.
No. The oven it's too little.
Yeah.
For Ben.
I don't know what's that, but yeah.
Oh, okay. I understand. Yeah. It's a 4-pan stove.
Oh,
that stove.
Yeah.
I think it's stove samalash.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So what is the song titled?
It was Iyasebenza lento kaThixo.
Oh, that's power. That's power. I think we have to listen to that, man. Iyasebenza lento. Is there on digital platforms and?
No. I didn't.
Why?
Because it was that time I think.
Bonga sure what you wanna be an artist or not? Yeah.
No, I was sure, but
yeah.
I never get help. Let me check that. I was just working on alone, like.
You didn't have knowledge.
How gonna pull this? Gonna do this?
Yeah. I registered though as an artist.
Yes, sir.
Oh, and recently you're working with Sandile, man. How is it? How's the relationship? How are you working with him? What's happening?
No, working with Saida, Sandile, Sandile Shabang.
Yeah,
I'm working with the guy. It's the one who made me to be hyper that way on the stage.
Yeah,
let me tell you the truth.
He's doing the things, man.
No. That guy on the background is doing the things.
Yeah,
doing the things. Mostly when you saw us, no, funeka amadolo wakho angaqini kahle ngoba sesifikile. And we make sure ukuthi asangizodlala awuzoyikhalela imali yakho oyikhiphile then we make sure. So working with Sandile, it's a good thing ever. Mr. Mpahlela, I don't lie. It's what a blessing to me. We met on TikTok, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, we met over the phone.
Yeah,
we didn't know each other.
Yes,
we met. I remember I was attending the event that I was singing in Midrand.
Yeah. How's the relationship, man? The relationship is stop. Do you have any relationship other than music? Are you brothers? Are you friends?
No, it's a brother to me.
Yeah.
I can say that it's a brother to me. It's a brother to me.
Yeah.
If he's going through something, doesn't have this and that.
Yeah.
I'm there.
You to help.
Yes. You also, if look, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I think now we have 3 years or 4 years working together.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't know how the guy when he's angry, how is.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. There's a show that you did, man, together. Where was it? I think it was in Limpopo. What was the show?
The one I was hosting.
No, not the one that you were hosting. You were hosted in Limpopo, man, just recently.
Yes, Kongwanama lap. Kongwanama. We went Kongwanama.
And you did the things there.
You went Kongwanama.
Yeah.
We were only, I think we were 3.
Yeah.
We were speaking Xhosa or Zulu, whatever.
Bongban.
It's me, Sandile.
Yeah.
And Mimi. Yeah.
Oh, Mimi from Tulas.
Yeah. Yes. Then
Yeah. How was it, man?
We did things there. Yeah. Amen. I don't know. Let me just say this.
Yeah.
We were sabotaged there. Let me put on this way by the sound engineer.
The
sound engineer.
Yes, man.
Sound engineer. Make sure that all the mics are doing that thing.
Yes, sir.
Every mic
and when you guys went on stage, it does that.
Yes, we were not on the stage that time. The sound was so good. And we were supporting each and everyone that is singing. And then they said, now we're putting people from, starting with, then the mic started. Sandile even stood up and go to the sound engineer, wanted to fight with him, and then Sandile, look, sit down. Let's leave those people alone. With them Sabin Wabo, by the way. If Bangasaya won't get to but man, it was amazing.
It was amazing.
You know, uNkulunkulu mase kuvukela bra ekubone efuna ukushow alpha ngawo ukuthi benisenzani. Benisenzani nenzani noninza. uNkulunkulu washowa offer bra. Ma uNkulunkulu engena umimi stage kwahlakahlakana waqeda umimi kwazongena mina. You know, no one was sitting down, by the way. But that auditorium.
Did you complain though to the organizers?
No.
You didn't.
Okay. Or during the service?
Not during or whether after during the service?
Yes, I done.
Yeah,
I done that.
Did. Oh.
I done that. And
what was the response?
The response was for like positive. Was good. Yeah,
Okay.
he's apologized and they didn't notice that. It's a lady, by the way. She doesn't understand those things. Yeah, I don't know the guys why they are doing that thing to us. But it was good. And then when I got the time to go to stage, no, that made me don't finish up the song. When we finish the song, I will get there to finish it. So that they doesn't understand what we are doing.
So you who was the host, by the way?
Sisiria Betswe.
Oh, Sisiria Betswe. Yes.
Then he done a good job, but I lied to you. It was a great event in Polokwane. And it was my first time to Polokwane, right?
To Polokwane.
To sing in the big event like that.
What day was it?
It was the 16th December.
Oh, it was Saturday. Oh, how did you travel from Gauteng to?
Yeah, we used the transport that we always use.
Went to Polokwane on the day. You did sleep there? What happened?
On a day.
Oh, you get then.
Yeah, we left here around 6-7.
Yes.
In the morning, 6-7-5. Yeah, around there.
And then you did the things, and therefore you were done, and then you came back. Or did you sleep? Did they book you?
We slept aside.
We
came.
They booked you a place.
Yeah.
Oh.
By the way, I'm a big guy and I can't just drive a car. By the way, it was a good event. I don't lie. It was given. Even now, recently, he's doing something on Tuga August.
Oh yeah, I think I saw the poster.
In Pretoria.
Yeah.
He's doing something. I will be there.
You're called there.
I will be there.
Yeah. You should call it KKFM.
No, definitely.
Yeah, you should call it KKFM.
KKFM should be there.
We come and do the things. And Dumayoli brand. What's the plan, man? What's the plan from here? What are we expecting from Dumayoli? Is there any event? Is there any album? Is there any EP? Is there any single? People are releasing recently, man. Hey. People are releasing, man. Dumayoli, they are relaxed. What's up?
You know, bathi lapha ekhaya.
Yeah.
Bayeke basebenze.
Yeah.
Isikhathi sakho siyeza.
Yes. Yeah.
So now I'm dealing with my events.
Okay.
I'm attending events.
Okay.
Njengoba nihleli nawe manje lapha I can say this.
Yeah.
I have 18 sondela mic ngizothetha kahle.
18,000.
No.
Oh.
I have 18 gigs.
Yo.
From the 7th of June until the end of October.
Yo, people are kicking, man.
So I'm sitting here.
Yeah.
I'm sitting over my money. That thing is working for me, bro. Let me just tell you. It's working for me.
Yeah.
I'm coming
till when? You said till when?
End of October.
Oh, end of October. Do you still have dates that are open? Maybe someone wants to book you.
Yeah, I still have. I have.
Yeah.
Look, on the 16th June.
Yeah.
I'm in East London. I'm going to East London.
Yes.
I'm flying back.
Okay.
And going to Soshanguve.
Yeah. Oh, someday.
I can kill 2 or 3. Don't stress.
Yeah.
There's a flight here.
That's Dumayoli for you, man.
You can just pay that thing and come and whack. But you know,
if you call Dumayoli.
No, bro.
Yeah.
We ask uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Masifikile la. Makubonakala imizila yethu. Khona umhlabelelo othi yenzeleni imizila inyawo zenu.
Yeah.
And masifika pa imizila yasala. That the full steps.
Yeah.
I understand that the full steps.
Yeah.
Then when we get there, we make sure good to uNkulunkulu akubonakala. And uNkulunkulu that hot man yenza so.
Yeah.
Ayidlali ngayo. Ayizange yasidanisa bra.
Yeah.
You understand?
So if maybe as someone like an artist, obviously you are here, and at some point there are people who helped you. Are there people or are there gigs that you do for free, or that to say, no man, don't worry, I'll come for free because you are my friend, or like do you do gigs for free for your friends?
Yeah.
Oh, why you're not sure?
You know, the problem is that is that when you have a logistic like a car, that you need to drive there, and there's a petrol at the side, there's this.
Yeah, there's a keeponist.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You can't take something for free.
Yes.
By the way.
Yes.
But I'm a person who likes to grab the opportunities.
Yes.
You know, and I know when I'm grabbing the opportunity, it's not just grabbing the opportunity.
Yeah.
It's something for the following day.
Yeah.
But you'll never saw it.
Yeah.
And when I come to your event, thought that you are wasting my time. You are wasting your time.
Yeah.
I will get there.
Mm-hmm.
I will never go out empty-handed. By the way, let me tell you that.
Yeah.
I never went to an event and come back as it is.
You get people who ask your numbers, get another gigs and that.
So to your event, I'm going to get my events.
Yes. And it never happened that you go back and therefore you didn't get.
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
And that's
anyone can come and cut my fingers if I'm lying to this. I never went to the event.
Yeah.
I want to repeat this. And when the broadcasting, they put this one first.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm a director today.
Yeah. Yes,
I'm kidding, sir.
Yeah.
What I'm saying is that when I went to an event, I know already.
Yeah.
It's either one person,
yes,
or two or three.
Yes.
It's on this three.
Yeah.
Two I can win.
Yes.
Or one can win. Because I don't go to the event just to play.
Yeah.
I'm going to minister there.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I make sure good even stress but
yeah.
once I ascend the stage,
we
are you understand? Then someone said, look, come.
Yeah.
Let's talk.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
When you can call me saying, do me, I have a petrol. And I say, thank you. I know how big your event, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
So speaking of how big your event is, do you have a criteria, or do you check which events do you go to, what kind, or what is it that you check when someone books you and say
this one? I didn't see this one coming.
When someone hosts you and say, Dum Mayoli, I want you to come to my event. Do you what do you do? Do you check where is the venue? How's the security? And can you see your page if the event has the page? How many followers? Do you check those kind of stuff?
No.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm a minister.
Oh. Okay.
I can go and minister to 10 people. It's okay. As long as there are people that are good.
Yeah.
In spirit.
Yes.
I'm okay. I'm not checking there are 10 people.
Yeah.
I also do go to the pubs, by the way.
Okay. Yeah, what can you say about that? What can you say about that?
I do go.
Yeah.
And now, 99% it's a pub that books me.
Yo.
There I get there.
Yes.
I'm not there to drink alcohol and do
alcohol.
No.
Yeah.
The situation of that where I am
will
never change me.
Yeah.
I will remain as I am today.
Yeah.
Ngifika lapha mfethu kuthiwa do it's your time ngiphume backstage ngene stage.
Yeah.
Ngiyakutshela lapha ba yo.
And we all know that the pubs, man, it's another industry.
Yeah.
Yeah, from gospel and all that. Don't you think that it has some impact on your spiritual being?
No,
it doesn't.
No, I've been doing that.
Yes.
I've been doing it, sir, and Umangienza.
Yeah.
You understand day one. I'm not there for money, by the way.
Yeah.
The money, it comes because I'm already there.
Yeah. Yeah.
If say the organizer say, look, we have an event here, blah 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 blah. Remember, there are two things. There's the entertainment. There is also the ministering to people. I know how to entertain.
Yeah.
You never rob me with that.
Hey.
I'm gonna do it for you.
Yeah.
Make sure your people are entertained.
Yeah.
Come to the spirit now.
Yes.
Can I do that also? So I can see the audience now, what the audience want.
Oh.
If you are a minister, you can't separate those two things.
Yes. So is it experience or is it you being like spiritually matured to be able to see that, or you would say it's experience of a Dallas game?
No, the spiritual way. I think also it's helped me a lot because I can look.
Yeah.
I want to figure lapa Sunday. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
This is our minds, right?
Yeah.
When we get them sitting down.
I worked with you, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then I come to you. Look, boy, we are changing this. We are doing this. You get me?
Yeah, I get you.
No,
yeah.
wait, we are not going. You know, we worked, bruh. And I said, look.
Yeah.
Look, I'm fit. Labantu badinga mfethu kuvuswa.
Yeah.
Like labantu badinga mfethu into ezobaxhumanisa noNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Then we check. We don't just come because Mpahlela was doing a worship or what.
Yeah.
No, we check the situation and we assess it spiritual way and the physical good look. This is what we want to do now. We can't just go this side. Just want to do that.
So, at perhaps I can say there's no other God that is being worshipped there, right? So what can you say about let's say you get a gig, man? As a CC, but you get a gig somewhere.
Yes, you are right.
Yeah,
or Shembe.
Or Shembe.
Yes.
Or you get a gig somewhere else.
You are right. Yes, sir.
Or let's say you know, or let's whoever, and therefore they say to my come. What can you say about that? Do you go mind you they're worshiping somebody else?
Sure.
Yes. So do you go there? You don't go there, or what's your take?
Ngizobetha ukuthi angizange ngaya.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on better lapho, but if ungathiwa mandizi.
Yeah.
And I understand ukuthi ndimephi noNkulunkulu wami.
Okay.
I don't think kunento engangisusa, bruh.
No.
Hey, I don't think so.
Yeah.
You know, if ngakwenza example, I don't know ukuthi the example can align whatever that I'm saying now.
Yeah.
I never drank alcohol.
Okay. At all.
I don't know the taste of the alcohol.
Okay. Interesting.
You know, I never taste the alcohol. Not it was someone told me don't taste alcohol.
Yeah.
It was like
a decision.
Me saying that I'm not going to do that.
Yeah.
Only thing that I want is to serve God, and I done that. Someone they said to me, when I want to muscle uzisebenzela unamango uyaxoxa uzophuza kilo and if umese phuza uzombola igeza le I'm hyper ngendalo
yes
angingomntu
yeah
and I done that. I stayed alone. I've been doing that alone.
Yeah
on my fridge I never find alcohol if anything. I stayed with people that are drinking. I stayed with people doing all those things, but I never done such, sir.
Yeah.
So coming to this side, it's a matter of a spirit. If you want to be this side,
okay.
If I know uNkulunkulu ozayo kuyamkela uJesu, it's not the matter of ukuthi kuphi. You understand? If ufuna ukwamkela uNkulunkulu uyafuna uyamkela uNkulunkulu. It's your choice. I can say that. So the spirit salapha ya ayonto eveli ingaveli ivuke sengitshintshile sendi whatever bendiye kuyona. I'm making sense.
You are.
I can't go to that church whatever. and then ndibuye manje sendikumuntu walapha ya or ngoba bendiye cula epub then manje sendenza into zasepub no I will still remain but lapha I'm asking what do you want to me no bro I want you to come entertain I don't go to the event and guys bufuna ndenzeni if he said to me please man come entertain my audience ushendodeni ke lapha hayi ke lapha ndifike and make sure ukuthi your people are entertained.
And therefore what about their processes? You go in rotsela ka metsi rirang do you do that when you go in or you
hence
make
I said I never find such on the pub they are not doing anything they come and on the pub ndibane security pub yabo bafola manje andifake phakathi yo ngithi kwedini yangikhumbula ngihamba ngebike uthi yimlo ngihambe ngabe phakathi balabafana lapha bangifake backstage banifake VIP lapha ngihlale la ngiphume sengiyocula nomfethu sisebenze
so what was this question?
Yes.
I was still fine there. Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah. So, this is the question I wanted to ask. What do you think? It's. How can I put this, man?
Okay.
What do you think makes the other, like the people from other kingdom?
Sure.
That they would want someone from the other kingdom to come and minister or to come and do whatever that is doing in their place or in their temple or whatever they call it. What do you think it's a reason behind that, or what's the mindset behind that? If maybe you think those guys, they would do that.
Let me tell you, everyone knows that God lives. Everyone but they deny it. That's my answer, bro.
So they know that uNkulunkulu uyaphila.
How can you call umuntu obiza uNkulunkulu wena ungabizi uNkulunkulu? You understand lo muntu akakhulumi lento ikhulumayo?
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah.
I will say this. I remember abantu beshayu ayanda ngamatshe because ayanda beyekwe lapha ya.
Oh, Shembe, yeah.
Yes. The guy did well there. You understand?
Yeah.
So if ngafika namfandi ndiye mkhululi wezono. Khululi moya wami. Yabona?
Yeah.
Yafika lapha. Then banikeze 50,000 yamphuma enkodweni. You know, I think it's about the concept.
Yeah.
You need to understand ukuthi bakufunela
lani. Yeah.
Ninibizela it. That's why if ndibizwa kupapa mna mfethu, the only thing endisayitholayo.
Yeah.
They said to me, Mayoli, mfethu, please man, we want you to do that part of do the entertainment.
Yeah.
I can get figure up. Banning is cut somebody it's 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Or it's an hour for you.
Yeah.
Do this. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah.
And yenze mistake yokuphuma lapha ngababalisela ngibuthi uNkulunkulu uyaphila.
Uyaphila.
Angenza so. Ngoba dakwe it's fine but indlebe ziyasebenza. They know.
Yeah.
Most of the people there, bro, they are from to whatever that you are doing. You're working on uNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
99% abasetshwaleni bayamazi uNkulunkulu kuyaphila.
Yeah.
In fact, everyone knows. Even namanje meme secabana okanye begwazana lapha belimazana athi uNkulunkulu wami ndingafi.
Ayi.
Why is it uNkulunkulu wami angathi itshwala lami ndingafi?
Ayi.
It was no God lives, bro.
Yeah.
No bungafika wenzeni petshwaleni uzofika athi uNkulunkulu wami ndingafi. I remember when I was singing in the PSJ Town Lodge.
Yeah.
Lab, it was a full packed place.
Yeah.
And then I was singing the worship there.
Yeah.
They kneel down and pray.
Yeah.
Those people are drunk. I understand.
Yeah.
But one thing they know
God.
Yeah. So London fet ilento ke ingenza ukuthi ndingajiki.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Although sengiyile lapha.
Yeah.
Baphinde banibone futhi lo mjito usakhuluma into beyikhuluma ngokuya ukuthi uThixo uyinkosi. Akho ndijikileke kulento ayikhuluma.
Yeah.
And enyanza ngiyabakho.
Oh, that's to me Mayoli for you, man. And you're watching there. You're hosting events. whether sephapu baba ngithi kwashembe ngisho ukuthi kuphi as long as you explain what do you want him to do in your event, call him, man. They want to invite you. How do they contact the Tumi Mayoli?
I'm everywhere, bruh.
Yeah.
Oh, ngiyaphithizela man. Yonke into social media ngikhona. Uzobona naku futhi.
Yeah.
Mawuthi ngapha it's Tumi Mayoli.
Yeah.
It's Tumi Mayoli everywhere. Tumi Mayoli.
Yes.
Twitter, yonke nje indawo.
Yeah.
Insta, TikTok, everywhere.
Yeah. It's just Tumi Mayoli.
Yes, you'll get contacts there. As a PA by the way.
Yes. And therefore is the one who's gonna do
the one
booking.
who's the one who's doing my bookings. So because I'm on 18, it's gonna be hard for me to do such.
Yeah,
I understand.
Yeah.
I'm not uplifting myself.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you the truth that when it's a lot of things that you're doing, and even the kind of job that I'm doing now, it applies me with a sober mind. You understand because sevenza ngempilo zabantu. So I can't be so I need to be sober. Someone do something for me at the end of the day. Kanye magama zamkuthi kunomuntu ohiriweyo eTumi Mayoli.
Yeah I want to pay sleep. So man, you have 18 gigs, man, up and down and your work and whatnot. Do you have family? Do you have a family of your own? Your wife, kids, and if you do, how do you balance that?
No. One is I don't have a wife yet.
Okay.
Yes, I don't have a wife yet.
Yeah.
But I'm on the look. That's not ringing. I want to look. I'm still praying to get a good family.
Yeah.
By the way, but again, before call, I have kids.
Oh, okay.
I don't lie. I don't have kids. I have a handsome boy.
Yes.
And a beautiful baby girl.
Yeah.
I love them a lot, bruh.
Yes.
Those 18 gigs is
yeah.
So even my boy asked me one other day, Daddy, are you working here? Because weekend by weekend, that is out. That is out. That is it your job? And then say, no, bruh, this is not my job. I have a job with this.
Yeah.
This one is have to get something to eat.
Extra income,
if you want to go to McDonald's, I can take you in time. So it'll be a right and fit. It's not my job. You understand?
Yeah.
But I have a family.
Yeah.
I'm staying with them.
Presented. Let's get it on, man. That's Tumi Mayoli for you, man. And live on KKFM. That's all, man, that we think that we've covered about Tumi Mayoli that we'd like to know and to find out about him. Like, who is he and what's going on about his brand and all that. And you hear it. Here are the details you want to book Tumi Mayoli. Here are the details on the screen and contact him and it was so the event will be dope, man, and he is really a proud puller. I would say that you are a proud puller, bro, and may the good Lord bless you and give you strength to do it to all those gigs and get more gigs and whatnot, so that and so that they can get to know Muchesu and more gigs to the pub gigs.
Why is it gonna be the pub gig?
Because to reach
about Jason.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. And that's how we're wrapping the episode, man, live on KKFM with Tumi Mayoli. And we'd like to hear you say KKFM Vukandota.
Okay, before that, sir, let me just say thank you. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
After this, my plan, it was 20 to 25 gigs.
Yeah.
20 to 25. I'm on 18 now.
Yes.
20 to 25
gigs.
So I know now I'm here to collect my 10.
Yeah.
I'm here to collect 10 to make that 25. By the way. So thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate with the your producer there, Taps, the good guy. Yeah, thank you so much, bro. And the whole team of KKFM. You are so good.
Yeah,
thank you so much, guys. I'm looking forward to work with you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much with also the cake and coffee. Siyabulela kube mnandi akusicalile ndawo coffee lapho kunindaya kuma lendoza ndingaphunga coffee. It's the first time. So thank you so much mfethu. I really appreciate uNkulunkulu mfethu ngase anithwale nibambale ngisebenze, and I'm looking forward, really appreciate. So people if bafuna ukungibona, I think there's 7 July 6-7 June.
Yes,
ngizobe ngisekahle ho ngeJoburg.
Okay.
14 ka June.
Yes,
ngizobe ngiseMpumalanga.
Yes.
16 June.
Yeah,
ngizobe Pretoria.
Okay.
And the other weekend 21 June ngizobe ngise Bloemfontein again. On the 28th June ngizobe ngise Bloemfontein.
Yes,
let me just count only June.
Only June.
Yes. Now I'm on the rest month. I'm resting this month, then yasuka next month. So
Gobi,
it's up and down. So everything, even the transport, it fresh. Right. So thank you so much, Kay. Thank you so much, in fact. We are ready. So I would like to meet those people zonke all weekend in and weekend out of June. Busy yonke weekend, but you can still book us. We will be there. We can do gigs I 3 a day, but no banje wona they are killing. Atuna lie, let's say EWS if the distance. Yes. So gamazo okugcina ngifuna ukuthi nje KKFM Vugandoda.
As I was saying, man, we've upped the standard, man. If you wanna call to me for interview, make him a coffee. Make him a coffee there. Like with KKFM, it's a rap, man. Vugandoda.
Danko.
Thank you.
Vugandoda.